To enable DNS query logging in AWS, first we need to create an S3 bucket for our DNS query logs. Let's click Create Bucket, and we'll give the bucket name Netography DNS. Leave all settings as default. Now we need to enable DNS query logging in AWS. Go to Route 53, go down to Query Logging under Resolver, click Configure Query Logging, give it a name, click S3 Bucket, and enter the S3 URI for the bucket we created to store our DNS logs in. Now click Add VPC, select our VPC ID, and click Add. Now you are going to want to save this VPC ID because you're going to need it in a future step. Now click Configure Query Logging. Now we need to edit the IM policy we created in a previous step to add our S3 bucket we're sending our DNS query logs to. So search for your policy name, click the plus sign, click Edit, add your new S3 bucket for DNS query logs, click Next, click Save Changes, and you're done. Now we're going to add DNS as a traffic source to Netography Fusion. So click on Settings, Traffic Sources, Add Traffic Source, and under DNS, AWS S3 VPC. Give it a name. To your VPC ID from the previous step. You're going to need your Amazon account ID. Enter your region. And enter the bucket name you created, which in our case was Netography DNS, and the bucket region, which should match your account region. You can leave these settings blank. And now you're going to need your role ARN. So leave the authentication type set to default. Come over to roles and select the role you created in a previous step and copy the ARN, paste it in, click Save, and you're done.